There's a whole, it's already used. There's a whole kit. You can get this at Ulta Beauty. So I'm gonna be doing, it's called, what is it called? Falscara, the new way to lash. There's a whole kit. It comes with lashes, tweezers, and this. And then I got this. I got this from Walmart. Peony by Kiss. I want my eyelash to be short and thick. I don't know if he's gonna give that. I really don't know. The first time I did this and I took it off, my eyelashes was sticky for too long. And I also didn't like that. Oh, this might be a little hard to demonstrate because I ain't no pro. And I don't want to be all up in the camera. So you have bond on one side and the seal on the other side. I don't know if that was a good idea, but whatever. So you put this first. Pop, pop, pop. Put your lash on underneath. So I'm gonna do it one good time. Then I'm gonna get the 10mm, this one, and line it up underneath. One down. This cause now we're gonna take the 9. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. This might last for like 3 days, if I'm being realistic. Let me just take the time out to say, everything don't need a reaction, or yeah, everything don't need a reaction. Let God fix it. I'm telling you, leave it, let it be, leave it, let him fix it. And you'll end up in some trouble, in some deep trouble, in some deep waters. Leave it alone, let it go, move on, let it be. Ooh, almost poked my eye out. I don't know, I might add these waspy ones right here, these thick ones. I mean, not thick, to the back, like right here, because it looks a little empty. But this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna seal it with this. So you take it and you put it but if I was gonna add some more shit, I'll just seal it for later. We got one. I was wondering if I should do a video of me like reading my TikTok DMs. I got a lot of them. Some of them are like spam, or trolls, or bots, or whatever y'all call them. But I'm thinking, why not read the DMs? Why not read them? That should be fun. Where did I find a mascara that smile? Y'all, I'm gonna poke my eye out. What the heck? I'm trying to be cute. I'm gonna poke my damn eye out. Y'all, some people do and say things to get a reaction out of you, to see if they still have control over you. I think that's called manipulation. I'm literally holding my breath when I'm doing this. I gotta stop. I need to breathe. People are weird to me. If you want to keep it a buck. I want it to be full. But you can leave it like that so it can be natural. Okay, so we got both sides. Wait, I forgot to seal it. Because I added like 3 more of this piece to the back, the 10 mm, this one, to the back so it wouldn't look like spaced out. But how's she looking? So the whole kit is in Walmart too. Right in the health and beauty section. It's right in Walmart. I think it's for like $20 at least. $20 for a whole kit for this, the lashes, and the tweezers. And it comes with a lot of lashes. But I didn't get that whole thing because I'm not really a lash person. I'm just trying this out because I like to rub my eyes. I like it. It came out cute. It's real easy. If you want to get it, that's up to you. This is like a quick in between. I need to get my lashes done, but I didn't book anybody right now. I didn't make an appointment or anything, so this is what I'm going to do right now. It's right in Walmart. You can either get it glued by itself or you can get the whole kit. It's in Ulta and in Walmart. I don't know if it's in Sephora. I'm pretty sure it probably is in Sephora, but Ulta is where it's at, okay? Ulta is where it's at for anything, period. If you like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.